This is our first time like garage sailing for eBay. Yeah. I'm not really sure what to expect. Expect going through a lot of people's stuff. Yeah.
Yeah, that's the point.
Hopefully we can find something.
Is this your first time actually going to a garage sale?
Yeah, well, where I'm actually interested in it, yes. So let's see if we can find anything to sell or flip on eBay or turn a profit. So, yeah, let's go.
Okay.
Hey.
Can we put that on eBay?
Maybe. Hello.
These pants have the tags on them.
Awesome.
And they're 40 to 50 bucks.
Alright, so we just hit our first garage sale. She found some pants that still had the tags on them. I enjoy finding those. And then I spotted a tablecloth that was a rough one. Yeah. And I looked it up, trying to like being discreet. And we bought it for $2, and I saw on eBay, and I looked under the sold, and it was going for like 30 to 40. So we'll list it later and see what happens. But we're on to the next garage sale, and let's see if we can find anything else.
Pass.
I don't even think they were having a garage sale.
No, I think it was just out there. It's still a pass. I don't like it. Dog. Oh, he's so cute. Poor thing has a cone on his head. This is a go.
This is a good one.
Yep. I think. Oh, I see Christmas.
Got one of these shoes.
No. The sliding doors.
Oh, wow.
15 inch.
So one thing we're learning is the garage sale started on a Thursday, and today's Saturday, and most things seem to be just stuff of not interest. Yeah.
Definitely like trash or Goodwill.
We only stopped for the dog. Yeah. Yeah?
Feel it.
Okay.
It's the brand new. It's soft.
Is it your size?
Yes, it is.
You can get it.
Yeah, I can.
It's your reward.
You were so good to me.
Oh gosh. That jacket was $10.
That's good. Nine West. I'm pretty sure that's expensive. It was $10 because it's an expensive jacket. It's fur. Look at that.
We're supposed to be like flipping stuff, not buying it to keep it.
If I don't like it, I can flip it.
Let's go to the next one.
Oh, okay.
There's another dog. Yeah.
I didn't even look inside it.
You have a dog?
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks like he's smelling it. We were just saying, we can tell everybody that has a dog who does.
These are comfortable. This one's questionable because of that. I don't know if it would sell or not. But these are good.
Okay. Wait, how much? $1? $2?
$2. This is $1.
Okay, deal.
Deal.
So we just got done garage selling. We got a whole bunch of clothing, a couple purses, a couple personal items too. But overall, we only spent about $30. As we kept on picking items, we'd research them discreetly without the homeowner knowing that we were going to buy it and resell it. But hey, they're putting out to sell, so we'll buy it and try and make a profit off it. So I hope everything makes a profit, but we'll find out over time, and we'll keep you guys updated. Make sure you like and subscribe and follow us on this wild adventure that we're endeavoring. Goodbye.
2 days later.